Most AI money tools promise passive income, but when you actually try them, they either confuse you or don't work at all. So I decided to test InstaProfit AI myself. No hype, no BS, just real usage. And honestly, I was surprised, but not in the way you might think. If you're watching this, chances are, you've tried making money online before, but nothing really stuck. You're tired of complicated funnels, ads, and tech setups, or you just want something simple that actually works. And yeah, most tools out there either require experience, need upfront investment, or just overpromise results. What most people actually want is simple. A beginner-friendly way to start something automated and ideally, something that can generate income without spending hours daily. That's exactly what InstaProfit AI claims to do. So InstaProfit AI is basically an AI-powered system that helps you create income streams using automation. According to the official sales page, it uses AI to generate content, automates traffic, and helps monetize without technical skill. But I didn't just read the page. I actually went inside and tested how it works. Once you log in, here's what you'll notice. Dashboard is pretty simple. You get access to AI tools that generate content. There's a step-by-step system to follow. It's not one of those messy dashboards where you feel lost. Everything is structured like, pick a method, generate content using AI, publish and monetize. Let me break down how I used it. Step 1. I selected a niche. Step 2. Used their AI to generate content ideas. Step 3. Created simple content, no editing skills needed. Step 4. Followed their traffic method. Now here's the thing. It doesn't magically make money for you. You still need to follow the process. But compared to doing everything manually, this definitely saves time. What I personally liked, beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed. It speeds up content creation. Step-by-step guidance is actually helpful. Doesn't require paid ads to start. This is especially useful if you're just getting into affiliate marketing, faceless content, or AI-based income methods. But let's be real, it's not perfect. Here's what I didn't like. It's not push-button money. You still need consistency. Some methods may take time to see results. If you expect instant income, you'll be disappointed. So yeah, manage your expectations. As of now, front-end price is low, entry-level. There may be upsells for advanced features. My advice: start with the basic version first. Only upgrade if you actually need it. Compared to other AI tools I've tested, some tools focus only on content, others only on traffic. InstaProfit AI tries to combine both. That's actually its biggest advantage. This is for you if you're a beginner, you want a simple system, you're okay putting in some effort. This is not for you if you want instant money, you hate learning new tools, you won't take action. I also checked other YouTube reviews, feedback from users. Most people say easy to use, good for beginners. But again, results depend on effort. So overall, InstaProfit AI is not a magic money machine, but it is a solid beginner-friendly tool that simplifies how you start making money online. If you use it properly, it can definitely help you build something real. Get InstaProfit AI by clicking the link in description. If you decide to try it, I recommend go through the training properly, don't skip steps, and stay consistent.